Hello everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More. And what I'm doing today is I had some resin left over from those coasters and CDs we did. So I'm going to be doing these paintings. I did do one coat already, but it too had a problem with the silicone and the resin separating. So this is like my third time of cleaning this off. However, I will tell you that if I find out that Mod Podge works even over CDs and coasters, like tiles, then I'll start using it on my paintings too, before I resin. So we have cleaned this off very well with 91% alcohol. And now we're just going to be drizzling this on, just like this. And we're going to do the same thing we did to the others. We are just going to rub it around and pray that it does not give us a problem as far as any resin is concerned. You can already tell it's getting warm in the cup. So let me get this down here before we have a bigger problem and it doesn't spread. Which we can get it to spread. We'll just heat it up a little bit, which we got to do anyway because of bubbles. So let's do that. Make sure the sides are done. Here, this one. All the way down. This is really a nice little set here that I did. Very nice. A little bit more on the sides. Right here. There we go. Like that. And here on this side as well. That's good. And back there. Make sure these are done very well on the sides. And then I'm going to give them a little torch. We've got the sides quite well. Off of there. And let's double check any spots that we won't need it. Let's see. I'm thinking we've got it cleaned up quite well now. That silicone, because I'm not seeing it separate anywhere, which is making me very happy. Good. That's a relief. Alright, so let me just set this down here. Wipe off my hands, give it a torch. Light torch. Oops. Not that high. There we go. I also got a fan over here, so just getting out any bubbles that are in there, a little bit of heat. Alright, we got it. And just make sure it's not separating. Although even if it was, really nothing I can do about it now with it all wet. However, it's looking like glass all the way across. I'm really happy with this one. I think these are going to come out beautiful. Alright, so we have varnished a couple paintings that I have done. That was black, white, and silver. And come back soon because we've got more to come. Thank you for watching. God bless, be safe, and be happy. See you later. Bye-bye. Everyone, I'm trying to show you how shiny it is. It's so hard to do in a picture, or it's like a great piece of glass. I mean, it's so pretty and shiny. I can't describe it. You can see all the lights reflecting on it. Hopefully you can tell how beautiful it is. Anyway, thank you for watching. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye now.